So what's going on, you guys? This is your boy Drew with a quick video on how to properly use the trend trading algorithm. All right, it gives you a buy and sell signal, and we did add a EMA in there also. All right, and keep in mind this is the 1 hour time frame. Everybody knows I'm a scalp trader, so keep that in mind. So I'm gonna do what I do best, and break down. Uh, just do my thing basically. So as you guys can see, we came to this area, went back down. So now it gave us a buy. So, this is just how I break down my chart. Look at that, perfectly touched and did a big drop. Here's another one. Look at that, told you to sell, boom. Now, like I said, it could come down here. And this, like I said, this also is this is also the 1 hour chart. Look at that. It didn't break through, so it went right back up. So now what we're looking for, is neither we're looking for a breakthrough, something like that. Look at that, it's doing it right now. All right, and now we're gonna look for possibly buys. It's already giving us a buy signal, so we're gonna wait for the sell. We're gonna wait for the sell and possibly take it. Now, if it does give us a sell but does this, wait for the retest, then yes, we could get into sell. But if not, we're looking for buys. So right now we're looking for buys. It came to our, our area, give us a sell. Let's see what happens. Okay. It didn't respect the sell, but it looks like it's fighting for the buy. And then look at that. Now, a lot of you guys are like, oh, this algorithm sucks, right? It's all about how to properly use it. If it came over this area, we're looking for buys. And if the market is over the 200 EMA, like I said, that's what we're going to be looking for. If the market's over the EMA, we're looking for buys. All right. The market's under, look for sell. It's that simple. So now what we want to do is see how it's giving us, higher highs and all that good stuff. So we could go ahead and do something like that here. Probably do something just like that. Boom. So now what we're waiting for is a retest. All right. Once again, retest. Or once again, breakthrough. Boom. All right. But so we wait. All right. So now that it's in this area, what I want to do is personally, I could easily just buy and climb it up. But if it's giving us all this, we could also, I don't know if you guys use trend lines, but you can also use a nice, beautiful trend line, something like that. Because of course we all know the market is on a uptrend, right? Right, we could agree on that. Cool. All right, let's see what happens. Boom, boom, boom. The market came here. Boom, pause. It gave us the buy and it came in our buy zone area. The market's over the EMA. So what I want to do now, go for the long term. Boom, and enter right here. And probably bring this like somewhere up here and put my stop loss real tight. Boom. And keep in mind, like I said, this is the 1 hour this is a 1 hour chart. So let's see what happens now. There we are, climbing. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on, hit my TP. Boom. So there you go. It hit RTP and it's starting to do a drawdown. Now, like I said, this is the best way to use the trend trading algorithm. You don't take every sell, you don't take every buy. You find a good EMA. I like to use the 100 EMA, the 200 EMA. Sometimes I like to use VWAP, and those are the three I like to use with the algorithm. And of course, I trade price action, key areas, of course, trend lines to identify my TP. All right. And as you guys can tell, it worked out perfectly. Look at that. And like I said, this is the 1 hour chart. If we break it down and go straight to the 5 minute, you'll see, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful trade. Did not, after it entered our area where we bought, it did not come inside our red zone, aka our drawdown area. Hit TP, started coming back down. All right, let's continue watching it to see exactly what happens next. Let's see. Went right back to our TP area. Look at that, perfect. So that's one way of using the trend trading algorithm. And I will let you guys know how else you can use it. I'm just putting a lot of specs together. So